Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button for any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And then just keep it as simple, short, and again, friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, we have Tezos. Tezos with the Tether token. Basically, Tezos right now is sitting at a price of right around $3.25. Today we are up nearly 5 cents, or this is resulting or for upside move of right around 1.70% or percent. I don't know how you're pronouncing it, but yeah. Overall, this price, what does this price action telling me? You can see that we reached this high point right there. We reached them basically. I can draw like a straighter line than this, bro. What are you talking about? We reached the lows of these candles, so basically my prediction will basically be, you can see how we kept moving. Bam, bam, right here. Maybe something like this can happen. Bam, and then start pushing to the upside back again. Yeah, just like, bro, this is my prediction, and let me know what are your thoughts about it. I may be wrong, I may not. Yeah, you get the point. We'll just bring that back so you can just see the candles, or we can just change the color for this. So yeah, overall this is my prediction for, I will just say short term. But for the long term, my prediction is that we will be reaching the all-time highs once again somewhere around July, August. Like, we will see what will be happening. And this is basically for today's update about it. If you want to support my channel, make sure to smash the like button. It means a lot to me and it helps me out a lot. You cannot like smash the like button, because it helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm and with my motivation too. So if you want to support me even more, which you don't have to, you can just go to the first link in the description, and this will be basically it. Thank you guys so much for your time, for sticking till the end, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.